Alliance. Quality is our strength. Gator Max. For drainage and non-drainage bases. This polymeric sand was designed to retrofit existing concrete surfaces, to reduce labor costs, for ease of installation and quick turnaround. It's ideal for overlays for a new or existing concrete paver job. This polymeric sand will prevent weed growth. On an existing paved surface, use a pressure washer to remove all existing joint sand. Do not disturb the bedding sand. It will also prevent anthills. When surfaces and joints have been cleaned, a 24-hour period will be needed to let the paver joints and bedding sand dry before applying the polymeric sand. For drainage and non-drainage bases. A drainage base requires a 1-hour setting time, and a non-drainage base needs 24 hours before any rainfall. The sand will only set above 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. It's ideal for overlays, sloping areas, pool surroundings, driveways, patios, and walkways. It can be used in different applications. We'll be using diagrams 1 and 4 with crushed stone and sand as shown. Number 1. A drainage base system foundation. 1-inch bedding sand over a minimum of 5 inches of crushed stone. Number 4. A non-drainage base system. 1-inch bedding sand over a concrete slab of 4 inches minimum. Applications 1, 2, and 4 require a vibrating plate compactor. The polymeric sand is offered in 3 distinctive colors: slate gray, beige, and ivory. It can be used for joints up to 1 inch and does not stain the pavers. After the pavers have been compacted, make sure the surface is dry. Then spread some sand over the paved surface. With a hard bristle broom, sweep the sand into the joints, filling them completely. Run the vibrating plate over the pavers in several directions to compact the sand inside the joints. Repeat these steps of sweeping and compacting at least twice. Using a fine bristle broom, remove excess sand from the paved surfaces. Make sure the finished sand level is 1/8 of an inch lower than the surface of the pavers. Using a leaf blower, remove any sand residue from the paved surfaces. Set the gun at mist, and at a height of 4 feet, direct a fine mist of water on a specific area for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait 3 to 4 minutes and proceed to the next step. From a height of 2 feet, aim a light mist directly at the paver surface. Mist and rinse simultaneously so as to eliminate any remaining sand residue. Wait 3 to 4 minutes and repeat. However, stop misting when you have a minimal amount of water retention on the paver joints. Use a leaf blower to remove any excess water or sand residue remaining on the paver pores and crevices. The tools needed for the installation of sand are safety goggles, a mask, earmuffs, gloves, a water gun and hose, a 3,500-pound compacting vibrating plate with mat for an existing job, or a 5,000-pound compacting vibrating plate with mat for a new job, soft and hard bristle brooms, and a leaf blower. For more information on installation and application procedures, refer to the original packaging. Before removing any pavers from a repair, identify each one in a numerical sequence. We are now faced with a situation of a partial concrete slab and aggregate base. The stone dust will be removed and replaced by sand for this non-drainage base system. 1 inch of bedding sand over a concrete slab of 4 inches minimum. A new leveling is done to correct the erosion. and obtain a 1-degree minimum slope directed away from the pool. Concrete pavers will be laid to the preset numerical sequence. The new installed pavers will be 3/8 of an inch higher than the pool coping. Using a rubber mallet, tamp down all the pavers, level and compact them. All pavers will need to be cleaned before sanding the joints. We are now faced with an erosion problem along a step and the edge of the grass. We have a drainage-based system. 1 inch of bedding sand over a minimum of 5 inches of crushed stone. The stone dust has been removed. The edge is put in place and the sand relayed. We are now at the final stage of laying the pavers. The paver surface will need to be compacted in all directions, ensuring that the pavers are level to the step. We are now ready to spread the polymeric sand. We also offer a complete line of cleaning products. Shampoo, rust remover, oil and grease cleaner, efflorescence cleaner, rubber, paint, and tar remover. Enhance your hardscape design with our sealer line, natural, satin, and wet look. Polyurethane, low VOC, and high-performance concrete adhesive glues. Maxi, mini, rigid, and flex edges. Gator Super Sand, Gator Max, Gator XP, and Eurostone Bond. Gator Sand and Dust have a limited warranty of 10 years with the fastest setting time in the industry. Gator Dust, offered in stone gray and Sahara beige.